Normally, lamai reconciliations means, right, I'll write down here debtor reconciliation. Debtor reconciliations. Debtor reconciliations means lamai going to find out unknown value. Right? Wait. Reconciliations means lamai going to find out unknown value. Wait a minute. What I know me refill කරන්න. Going to find out, this is not lamai error corrections, huh? And you can understand what's the mean, right? Debtor reconciliations means lamai actually going to find out unknown value. Understood? Going to find out unknown value. Right? Going to find out unknown value. Right? So now, and reconciliations, my format will be like this. Format means that statement. Right. Normally, lamai, right here in this question, right? Look at the page number. Please move to page number now directly. Page number, right? Page number here. Page number lamai 14. 14. Look at here. Preparing debtor reconciliations. Do the in the tutor. Right. Debtor reconciliations, right? I'll write down in this format lamai. Please write down here reconciliation meaning. Find out unknown value. Write down the meaning. Find out unknown value. Unknown value. Clear? Now, I'm going to teach you this one separately. I'll take separate one error and tell you the reasons. Right? Logic. Therefore, first of all, when preparing reconciliations, we have to record here known value. Actual known value. And also we have to record here actual unknown value. Actual unknown value. Unknown. We don't know. Understood? Actual. There's no format. The school එකේ format tag ගහලා මේක තමයි කියලා එහෙම එකක් නෑ. මේක එක එක විදිහට හදන්න පුළුවන්. මම මේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා basic එකකින් තමයි පටන් ගන්න. හරි? Right. Unknown value. Therefore, let's read the questions now. Let's read the question. Here, page number 14. No? Read the question. Scenario number 1. No? I'll do 5 scenarios here. Balance of debtor control account. Please highlight that balance 700. Then theoretically lamai private accounts total should be equal to 700. No, right? Look at now, netum business, but there is a difference. There is a difference with total of list of creditors, which means private accounts. But that total actually given or not here? Given or not? Total of private debtors balance actually given or not here? Yes or no? No, lamai, right? Private accounts actually mean no. Therefore, write down control accounts. This is the known value. Known value. No. Private accounts total actually here unknown. Write down like this. Therefore, now we have to find out what? How much was the total of private accounts, total of list of debtors. That's the unknown balance here. Therefore, first of all, we have to record here debtor control accounts balance. That's the known balance, no? debtor control balance. Write down, it's already recorded, but write down here known balance. Now, what's the unknown balance here? Total of list of debtors, private accounts. Right, me unknown, plus minus. This is not my error corrections. We are going to find out unknown value here. How much was the value of debtor control private debtor accounts? Using that error, there's only error. Understood? Therefore, let's read the error now. Right. Have you write down these things in red color pen? Please use the red colors. මං කියන විදිහට කරන්න ඔයාට ඕන ගාන හදන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්න තමයි මේ කියලා දෙන්න යන්නේ වැඩි. හරි. Step by step, right? Logic. Right. Question number 1. Transaction. Look at the reasons for the transaction difference. Reasons for the difference. What? Look at following error were detected by observation. Read the error. Total of sales journal 150 has been posted to the general ledger as 105. 105. That's the error. Therefore, please tell me, Lamai, this error related to control accounts or private account. Private account related error or control accounts related error. What do you think? What do you think? Private account related error or control accounts related error? What? Yes. Control account related errors. No, understood? Okay, now this is the thinking pattern. No? This is the thinking pattern. I have given you the working for that, right? Listen to me before that one, don't write anything. This is the working. This is the thinking pattern. How to think. Right. First of all, we have to identify what happened to the balances. What are the balances? Private accounts balances and control accounts balances. Because of these errors, we have to identify what happened to the balance. What happened to the control account balance? What happened to the debtor control accounts balance? Therefore, I'll prepare two accounts here as T accounts. I'll prepare in here control account. This is for understanding purpose. No need to do these things in exams. Control. And also I'll prepare in here private accounts, debtor private accounts. That list of debtors means private accounts. No? First of all, I'll prepare in this one. Then, right, let's assume two balances. අපි balance දෙක assume කරලා බලමු. A balance දෙක තිබ්බනම් මේ array එක හින්දා A balance එකට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Let's assume two balances and let's identify what happened to the balances because of these errors. Right? Then debtors lamai balances in which side? Debit side. But I'll assume here, I'll record here right? Then I assume two balances to identify what happened to the balances. Assume. Right. I assume around 200. If there were 200 debtor balance and private accounts may equally, please put any balances, assume and any balance, please put. Camati balance accounts format record any balance. Now we are going to identify what happened to the balance because of this error. Therefore, now sales. This sales. Then the sales journal. Normally we record in journals. Then 150. Let's assume 150. Then total will be 150. No, total will be 150. But this total should be recorded in control account. Where we have to record sales. correctly. Sales credit, debtors, debit. Normally, my control accounts, we have to record debit side. And also, if you record in the journal, that one should record in private account. Make private accounts. Record the private accounts. 150. කොහොමද දාන්න ඕනේ? Private accounts වලටත් යන්න ඕනේ debit පැත්තට. Control account එකටත් එන්න ඕනේ debit. What's the error now here? In lamai general ledger. General ledger means control account. They have recorded this 150 incorrectly. 105. That's the error. Therefore, lamai, if control questions means only control accounts error. Therefore, we have to assume what? Private accounts properly recorded. Understood? Understood? මේ විදිහට දාගන්න බලන්න. Private එකේ හරියට දාලා control account එකේ වරද්දලා දාන්න බලන්න. එහෙම දාලා balance දෙක ගන්න මේ විදිහට. මේ අර broad forward කරන්න ඕනේ මෙහෙම ගන්න. මේ get the two balances like this. Here lamai 305. Here will be 350. According to our example. According to our example, we assume two balances. According to our examples, control account balance, what happened? Then here lamai debited 105. Incorrectly recorded. What happened? Actually decreased, right? Make control account balance actually decreased. Therefore, in these questions, lamai, in these questions, please tell me which one is known, which one is unknown. Known balance of control, these are the actual values, but this is our example. According to our exam questions, known balance actually control account balance. Therefore, I'll put here known balance. First off, this is unknown. According to our example. We are going to find unknown balance. No? අපේ මේ example එකට උඩ මෙතන unknown එක වෙන්න ඕනේ මේකනේ. තේරුණාද? Understood? Private account balance. Right? Right. Then මෙහෙමයි. Now we are going to find out known balance to unknown balance. Therefore, keep in mind, because of this error, debited less amount, right? Not 150, recorded 105. Therefore, debtor control accounts balance, what happened? Decrease. Therefore, this unknown balance, when compared to this one, properly recorded, when compared to this one, which is higher or less, make it unknown. Increase or not? When compared to known one, make it higher, no? Higher. Therefore, my actual scenario here, error. Therefore, this balance actually decrease. Decrease. But මෙතන එහෙනම් මොකද්ද? අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මෙතන වැඩි ඇති මේකට වඩා. Therefore, ළමයි from known balance to get unknown higher balance. මේ unknown higher. How much the difference between these two? How much the difference? 45 නේ. 45 නේ. මේ look at the difference. ඔයා කැමති balance දෙයක් assume කරන්නේ 8 45 තමයි. The definitely balance should be 45. If you assume 300, definitely balance should be 45. If you assume 500, definitely balance should be, difference should be 45. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම 45කින් තමයි difference එක එන්නේ. Therefore, මේ අඩු balance එකේ ඉඳලා දන්නේ නැති වැඩි balance එක හොයාගන්න නම් ඒ difference එක මේ දන්න එකට මේ මෙහෙම නේද මේ උඩට යන්න ඕනේ. මේ higher balance to get unknown higher balance. From known lower balance to get higher balance, we have to add that or deducted that difference. Added or deducted. අඩු එකේ ඉඳලා දන්නේ නැති වැඩි balance එක ගන්න නම් අපි ඒ difference එක එකතුද කරන්න ඕනේ අඩුද කරන්න ඕනේ. මේ 305 ඉඳ 305 to get 350 unknown. What we have to do? 305ට ඒ difference එක මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? මේ added no. And you can identify that unknown value. Understood that? First of all, then this is that super method to do any questions. First of all, identify how to do the working. Then you can no need to do the workings. Then you can think and get the answers. Right? Then පටන් ගන්න මේ පළවෙනි ගාන දැන් දෙකක් තුනක් කරන්නේ වැඩි සෙට් වෙනවා. හරිද? සමහර එකපාරට මේක තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරන්න ඔක ඉස්ස වරද්දලා අපි බලන්නේ මොන අපි දන්න බැලන්ස් එක අඩුද වෙන්නේ වැඩිද වෙන්නේ. දන්නේ නැති එක වැඩිනේ. එහෙනම් අඩු එක use කරලා මේ අඩු එකේ ඉඳන් වැඩි පැත්තට යන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? මේ difference එක add කරනවා මේ. Understood? Me look at the unknown balance here. 745. And look at me. When compared to control accounts. Actually, private accounts balance actually 45, make more than 45. In our examples also, that one මේකට වඩා මේක 45කින් වැඩිනේ. ඒකම තමයි එහෙනම් ඇත්ත එකෙත් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. That same thing actually happened in actual values. Understand? Here I don't normally sales. Huh? Don't worry about the writing word. Just write down sales. What happened? Understood or not? Understood? Huh. Shall we do the next one then? Look at the second scenario. May write down here all the things. Right. Second scenario, again, debtor control balance. That's the known balance. List of debtors unknown. May I already recorded here known balance. Right. Look at the error and tell me where it has recorded. Right. Finish. Shall I erase this one? First of all, assume two balance and apply the error and identify what happened to the known balance and what happened to the unknown balance. Right. First of all, tell me, have you finished this one? Shall I move to the scenario number 2? Hari erase කරන්නද? මම slow කරන්නේ ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අහන්න ඕනේ. මොකද online කරන්නේ මාර අමාරුයි මේ වගේ lesson එකක්. හරි? right. වාගේ අර response එක නැත්තම් තමයි පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරු වෙන්නේ. හරි? එහෙනම් දැන් physical වලින් අපි ටක් ගාලා ගිහලා බලලා කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් තේරෙන්නේ. මේකට සමහර එකපාරටම තේරෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඉතින් clear වුනේ නැත්තම් ටක් ගාලා අහන්න ඕනේ මම. හරි? Right. I'll erase this one lamai. Right. Now in these questions also same, same scenario, no same. Then control account balance number 700, unknown balance, list of debtors. Right. Let's read the error. Scenario number 2. 60,000 bad debt has not recorded in debtor private account. Right. Please tell me this is debtor control account error or private account related error? Private account related error. Private accounts, right? Huh. Please record that. Let's do how to think this one. Right? You can assume any balance. Huh? I'll record that same value. You can record any values, but same value. Huh? Private, and that's the theory, no? Record two balances. Assume any balances. 100, right? 200, 300, yeah, 10,000 just small amounts. I'll record 200. Bad debts, where we have to record in debtor accounts correctly. Bad debts debit, debtor credited ni. Therefore, correctly bad debts we have to record in credit side ni in both accounts, private accounts and control accounts. Understand? 60. Then this is the correct way of recording this one. If there were 200 balances. But what's the error now? Not posted to what? The private accounts, which means not recorded here. And that's the error. Please take the balance now. Please get the balances and identify what happened to the unknown balance, what happened to the known balance. Here Lama will be 140. Here will be 200. That if you recorded 60 Lama, here correct balance also should be 140. No? But incorrectly 200. Don't think about correct and incorrect balance. Identify the difference and tell me which one is higher. Please tell me when compared to the known balance, unknown actually higher or less, lower or higher. Higher, right? Ready? Therefore, now then going to then here also same. Here also the control accounts, private accounts not recorded, not removed bad debts. Therefore, here unknown balance, actual unknown balance higher than control account balance. Actually, therefore, what we have to do difference 16. Then මොන balance දෙක මෙතන දාගත්තා 60 ම තමයි difference එක එන්නේ. From lower known balance to get unknown higher balance. What we have to do? Added or minus. අඩු එකේ ඉඳන් වැඩි පැත්තට යන්න නම් 140 to get unknown higher balance. Added what? 60. That same Here, here unknown balance X more 60,000 higher than control account 60. Therefore, my lower balance to get unknown higher balance according to like that. We have to add that difference. Understand me? 760 me make it a make a වැඩි නේද මේ control account එකට වඩා. අතන මේක වැරදියා. He also say we are not going to do the corrections. Find out unknown value. මේක වැරදි ඇත්තට. මේක වැරදි වැරද්ද ගැන නෙමෙයි හිතන්නේ අපි ඒක කීයද කියලා ගන්න යන්නේ. හොයාගන්න. ඩිෆරන්ස් එක යූස් කර. Understood? Understood. Record that one. Try to do the scenario number 3 and tell me added or not. Added or deducted. Right? Now, what's the error? What's the error? 30,000 debtor balance omitted from list of debtors. Right? 30,000 debtor balance has omitted from list of debtors. Let's assume closing two balances like that opening balance also. Let's assume two closing balances has 200. Then make opening this is not transactions to me. Record two closing balances. Record two closing balances. What's the error? Private accounts related lamai 30,000. Then this is lamai. Private means list of debtors are here. List of debtors. That all individual values totals, right? But like one balance has been omitted, 30,000 balance. Then what happened to the balance here? If 30,000 balance omitted from the private accounts, what happened to the balance? Private accounts total will be decrease or increase. Then here am I total, not total. Then I take only one account, but let's assume if there are so many totals balances, private balances, if you omitted one balance, what happened to the total balance of private accounts? Decrease or increase? Decreases to me. Decrease by 30. Here balance now decrease by 30. Therefore, here balance will be how much? In this example, 170. Which is incorrect. Don't worry about correct and incorrect. Identify now what happened. Known one is which one is high, which one is low over here. Known when compared to the unknown. Known one is higher or less? Known one. Unknown එක එහෙනම් අඩුයිනේ 30කින්. 30කින් අඩු වෙලානේ තියෙන්නේ. මිස් වෙලා හින්දා. ඒක අඩුයි. එහෙනම් known එක මොකද්ද? වැඩිනේ. වැඩි. එහෙනම් ළමයි from higher known balance මේ which one is higher, which one is lower. Don't think about correct and incorrect balance. වැඩි balance එකේ ඉඳලා දන්නේ නැති අඩු balance එක මේ 30කින් අඩු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. From higher balance to get unknown lower balance. What we have to do? We have to draw down. What we have to do? Higher balance to get unknown lower balance. What we have to do? Then කලින්ගේ අඩු එකේ ඉඳන් වැඩි එකට. known එක අඩුයි කලින් එකේ. unknown එක වැඩිනේ. දැන් මෙතන ඉඳලා අනිත් පැත්ත. මේ known එක අඩුයි වැඩි 200 නේ. මෙතන අඩුයි. මේක මේ දාලා බලන්න example එක මොකක්ද කියලා. ඒතර ඒකම තමයි ඇත්ත එකෙත් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. What we have to do? Yeah, make from higher balance to get lower unknown balance. Make 200 to get 130, 70. You have to deduct that difference. Higher to get lower. 30,000 different. Make actual one also same. Make එහෙනම් මෙතන මිස් වෙලා නම් ළමයි 30කින් $700 වලට මෙතන 30කින් අඩු වෙන්න එපා. බලන්න එහෙනම් අඩු කරා මේ 670 here omitted balance. Scenario number 4. What's the error? Scenario number 4. 50,000 credit note means return inward. Return inward recorded in return inward journal as 5,000. Highlight the word in return inward journal. In record then 50,000 the correct value, but in journal in the prime entry book we recorded 5,000 understated value. What we have to do? Tell me. Should be added though. Then this error related to which accounts can you tell me? This error related to control accounts or private accounts or both? What do you think? I'm right. Oh no. Right. Right. Okay, tell me the answers should be added or not or what? Added. Oh. Add or minus, what do you think? Right? This is lamai mainly you should have theoretical knowledge regarding prime entry books. Normally lamai, right? Normally return inward journal, right? Return inward journal. Then if lamai, then let's assume this return inward from Kamala 50. That total will be 15, right? Total will be 50. Therefore, lamai, that then what's the theory? If we recorded transaction in the journal, at the same date, you have to record in private accounts, in Kamal account. Understand? This, then end of the period, lamai, total should be. Then if that's only one transaction, total also 15. Total should be recorded in what? Control account. Debit, credit. Right? Return inward debited. Right? Control account credited. Data control. Can you see the board? Right? Total should be lamai debited. Total should be recorded in debit and credit. Data control account. Return inward debit 50. Right? Control account credit 50. Total. And also lamai journal එකේ දාපු දවසේම ගිහලා මොකද මේ control credit නම් private account එක credit තමයි කරන්නේ. Journal එකේ දාපු දවසේම private account එකට දානවා. Total should be recorded according to double entry theory, debit credit. What's the error here? Error lamai, we have recorded not total in the journal 5. Therefore lamai total will be 5. Therefore double entry also 5. May control account will be definitely incorrect. ඇතුලේ පහ කියලා දැම්මොත් ටෝටල් එකක් පහ වෙනවා, ඩබල් එන්ට් එකක් පහ පහ නේ වරදිනවා. ඒතකොට මේ ඇතුලේ දැම්ම කියලා තමයි ප්‍රයිවට් accounts, control accounts, private accounts එකත් වරදිනව නේද? දෙකම වරදිනවා. Right? Therefore lamai return inward correctly should be recorded in credit side. Right? But if we recorded that one understated value in the journal, it impact on private account as well as control account. Understood? Therefore, මේක වැටලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? මේ 5 කියලා තමයි වැටලා තියෙන්නේ. දෙකම වරදිනවා. Both accounts will be what happened? Wrong actually. Both are incorrect. Right? Both are incorrect. If we recorded lamai correct value should be 50, 150. No? Both balances should be equal, 150. But lamai, if we recorded 5, here should be 195. Here also 195. But both are incorrect. Both are incorrect. Understood? Both are incorrect. Therefore, what do you think? Is there a difference between these two balances? Because of this error, same value lamai, both accounts actually incorrect. Me dekama 45කින් වැඩි වෙලා නේද? Both are incorrect. But is there a difference? Unknown between unknown and known, is there a difference? No. Difference එකක් නැහැ. Right? Difference එකක් නැහැ. පැහැදිලිද? Understood? There's no difference occurred between private account balance and control account balance. But both balances are actually incorrect. Wrong. Understood? Therefore, lamai should be reconciled here. There's no difference. Therefore, no need to take this one for the reconciliation. මෙතන තියෙන එකම තමයි මෙතනත් තියෙන්නේ. Understood? But both are incorrect. Huh? No need, not impact. No impact to reconcile. The known එකත් අඩු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ, unknown එකත් ඒ ගානින්ම තමයි අඩු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. අඩු වෙලා කියන්නේ වැඩි වෙලා balance. Understood or not? දැන් හිතන්න මෙහෙම ළමයි. මෙහෙම ඇතුලේ හරියට දානවා. If you got incorrect total, if you recorded ළමයි incorrectly got total incorrect value, then total එක වැරද්දුවොත් control account එක විතරයි වරදින්නේ. පැහැදිලිද? මතක තියාගන්න. ඒක ඕන ලියාගන්න කොහෙන් හරි. If you got incorrect value for total, මෙතන හරියට දාලා, right? ඔයා මෙතන 50 කියලා දානවා හරියට. If you recorded correctly in the journal, but you got the total as 5. And එතකොට ළමයි not impact on private accounts. Private accounts correct. If you got incorrect total, definitely will be control accounts will be incorrect. Understand? Total එක වැරද්දුවොත් control account එක විතරයි වරදින්නේ. Journal එක ඇතුලේ වැරද්දුවොත් ඔක්කොම ගෙල වෙලා යන ඔක්කොම වරදිනවා. Understood? Right. Try scenario number 5. Right. Please tell me scenario number 5 now. Try to do scenario number 5. 150,000 total of receipt posted to the debtor control account as 510, which is debtor. Right. First of all, please tell me scenario number 5. 150,000 total of receipt, debtor receipts, no, debtor receipts. Right. Debtor control account recorded as 510. This error related to private accounts or control accounts? First of all, tell me. Private account related error or control account related error? Okay. Single in English වලින් කියලා තියෙනවනේ. Control account එක දාලා තියෙන වරද්දලා කියලා පේනවනේ. Control accounts error. දැන් ළමයි here 510 નો. ඒතර ඔන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ඉතින් logically අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉතින් කල්පනා කරලා මෙතන පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි ගානක් assume කරගන්න. Please assume that amount. Right? That more than 500, around 1000. එකක් දැන් ඔගේ 510 කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ. එතකොට පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි වෙනස් වෙනවා balance එක. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි පොඩ්ඩක් assume කරන්න ටික ලොකු balance එකක් ඒ ගානේ දීලා තියෙන එකට වඩා balance එකක් assume කරන්න මෙතන නිකන් 1000 වගේ දාගන්න ඕනේ නැත්තම් minus වෙනවා. හරි. මේ 1000 if there are 1000 balance, let's see what happened to the balances. Let's see what. Then how to record correctly debtor receipts? The actual debtor receipts 510 no, 150 no. Cash debit debtor credited ni me record correct values here, correctly recorded 150. Here also 115. Private accounts වලත් ඒකම දාන්න. Now what's the error? Control account, it has recorded as 510. Therefore this is error. But don't think about the incorrect and correct balance. Please tell me which one is higher, which one is lower. What we have to do to find out that unknown balance. Then in these examples, you can assume any balance. Then මම ගත්තේ 1000. ඔයා කැමති දෙකක් දාලා බලන්නකෝ. කැමති දෙකක් දාලා බලන්න. මොකද වෙන්නේ? අනිවාර්යෙන් same difference එන්නේ. කීයද මෙතන එන්නේ? මගේ example එකේ නම් මෙතන 850. ඒක තමයි හරිය. මෙතන තමයි වැරද්ද තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි ඒක වැරද්ද ගැන හිතන්න එපා. ඔයා known එක. ඒක known එකේ නම් unknown එකට යන්න. ඔයා හරි වැරද්ද ගැන හිතන්න එපා. කෝකද හරි කෝකද වැරද්ද කියලා බලන්න එපා. ඔයා බලන්න unknown එක ගන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? Here ළමයි in this examples here will be 490 no. I mean incorrect, but don't think about the correct incorrect. This is correct actually, but that's the unknown balance. Please tell me how much the difference here? 360. The difference 360 no. What we have to do? Then unknown one actually higher or less when compared to the known one. This is higher or less. වැඩි නේද මෙතන? මේකත් එක වැඩි නේ මෙතන 490 here 180 850. What we have to do? Lower known balance to get unknown higher balance. Added or minus that difference. අඩු එකේ ඉඳන් වැඩි එකට යන්න මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Added නේද කරන්නේ? මේ උඩට යන්න ඕනේ. 360. එහෙනම් ළමයි here should be added. Here I know data receipt. Look at me 1060. මේ data control එකට වඩා මේතන වැඩිනේ. මේකෙත් ඒකම තමයි. මේක නිකන් අර prototype එකක් අපි ටිකක් දාලා බලන්න. මෙහෙම තිබ්බනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙහෙම balance එකක් තිබ්බනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඉතින් ඒක තමයි මෙතනත් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay. What happened? Understood? Now lamai we are going to do that. I separately prepare the reconciliations error wise separately. Now we are going to do including all the errors, right? But separately think it. Right. Everyone please tell me finish or any questions related to these 5 scenarios. Today I will teach only reconciliations. Next day I'll do adjusted control account, adjusted list of debtors. Sorry, that big part, that's the confusion one. If you got the correct logic, then you can do any questions. Huh? Hari. Hari. Yeah, me. Yeah, එතන දැන් ඔයා මෙතන දැන් ඇත්තට මෙහෙමනේ. දැන් එකම දැන් ඔයා මෙතන බලන්න මේ. දැන් මෙතන කීයක්ද වැඩියෙන් ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරලා දෙන්නේ මේ? 150 දාන්න ඕන එක 550 510 කියලා දැම්මොත් මෙතන ඇත්තටම 360 වලින් ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ. අර ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරන්න ඕනේ කරලා ළමයි වැඩිපුර ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරොත් බැලන්ස් එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙතන මේ බැලන්ස් එක 360 වලින් අඩු වෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒකෙන් තමයි ඩිෆරන්ස් එක එන්නේ. That difference occurred from that error value actually. Understood? දැන් එතන ඒක ගැන හිතන්න එපා. ඔයා බලන්න මේ දෙකේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එකක් තියෙන්නේ ඒකෙන්ම තමයි එන්නේ. වැඩිපුර ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරොත් ඩෙබිට් බැලන්ස් එක අඩු වෙනවා. දැන් මෙතන හරිනම් හරියට 150 දැම්ම නම් මෙතන ඉන්න ඕනේ 850 නේ. මෙතන අඩු වෙනවා බැලන්ස් එක මේ. මෙතනින් අඩු වෙනවා. ඒ අඩු වෙන්න අර වැඩි මේ error එකෙන් තමයි එන්නේ ඒක. ඉතින් ඒ ඩිෆරන්ස් එකෙන්ම තමයි මේ දෙක බැලන්ස් දෙක අතර ඩිෆරන්ස් එක එන්නේ ඇත්තට. තේරෙනවද? මේ ක්ලෝසින් බැලන්ස් දෙක අතර ඩිෆරන්ස් එක එන්නේ දැන් මෙතන 115 දාලා තිනවා. මෙතන දැන් මේ 510. ඒතර ඒතන ඒ error එකෙන් තමයි මේ දෙකේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එක එන්නේ එතකොට. හා. error එකෙන් තමයි ඩිෆරන්ස් එක එන්නේ finally. Understood? ඔයද? First one, total of sales journal are total sales journal, right? Total of sales journal 1500 no. 1500 I 1000 na 1500 recorded in general ledger as 1050, right? Therefore sales we have had to sales credit debtor debited නේ. ඒක අවුලක් නැහැ ඉතින් මෙතන නිකන් 1000 වගේ දාගත්ත අවුලක් නැහැ. නිකන් 1000 වගේ ගන්න thousands. Sales sales නම් actual value 1050 නේ. 1500. That private also 1500 we have to record. Understood? But what's the error? Private account related errors නේ. Recorded as 1050. Here recorded as 1050 incorrectly. Which means what happened to the balance? Here will be like 2050 according to my assumed balance. Here should be 2500. And this is known. What happened to the known balance? Known balance decrease. Unknown balance higher than the known one. Therefore, what we have to do? Added or minus. Look at the difference. Then we are doing them for 50. Again, the difference also occurred from that error difference. Error again, the difference again finally. Understood? What we have to do? Added or minus that difference. Lower balance, make known. Lower balance to get unknown, higher balance. Added or minus. Added or minus. Oh, added or minus. That difference should be added. Added. Lower balance to get that difference for 50. Understood? He added. Na? Right. Who got correctly do this one? Next one. 20,000 discounts allowed. Okay. 20,000 discounts allowed has been debited to debtor private accounts. First of all, my discounts allowed. How to record discounts allowed? Debit or credited to control debtors. Discounts allowed. Debit. Debtors credited. Yeah. Discounts allowed should be credited. Private accounts and control accounts. Understood? Credited. But what's the error now? Debited to debtor private account, which is private account really not credited to here. They have debited to private account. That's the error. Understood? How much the difference? Look at the difference. Here Lamai will be 80. Here will be 150. Look at the difference. Oh, no, sorry. 20. Sorry. Here 20. 20. Here 120. Look at the difference. Difference will be double actual. Double, right? credit කරන්න ඕන එකක් credit කරලත් නැහැ ඒක debit කරාම ඒ වදියට double වෙලා ඉන්නේ difference එක. Look at the difference here. Lower balance. This is lower නේ. Lower to get higher. How much the difference? 40. Should be added 40. Me. Lower to get higher balance added 40. මෙතන මුකුත් ලොකුවට ලියන්න ඕනේ මෙතන නිකන් ලියන්න discounts allowed. That's all. Write down here discounts allowed. Understood? Discounts allowed. Right. Who got correctly record that one? Who got the correct answers? Right. හරිනේ. දැන් මේ මං කියලා දෙන මෙතඩ් එකට නිකන් ඕන එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ආය පට්ට අමාරු එකක් වුණත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. තේරෙනවද? Right. Short method කරන්න නිකුත් හදාගන්න බෑ සමහර ඒවා. හරිද? මම දෙන්නම්කෝ ඒවා. Right. Third one, total of return individual 150 not posted to the debtor control account. 150 no. Therefore, I'll take assume check amount balance around 300. Return inward where we have to record. Return inward debit debtor credit no. Return inward 150. Private accounts also 150 no. 150. Then what's the error? Not posted to the debtor control, which means me control accounts not posted, which means credited, not credited. That's the error. What happened? Look at the known balance. This is known balance. Will be incorrect, but for a known balance, unknown balance actually decrease, right? Known balance higher than the unknown one. From higher balance to get lower balance, what we have to do? Added or minus. Then don't think about correct one and incorrect. Going to find unknown balance. Me unknown. Me higher to get unknown. Decrease that difference. A plus. No, not plus. Look at the difference. Me. If you not credited, credit කරන්න ඕනේ credit කරේ නැතිනම් balance එක වැඩි වෙනවනේ මේ here. Then here actual balance actually 150 here also, right? But incorrectly 300. Balance increased, but unknown correctly recorded. Make correct, which is. Don't think about correct, incorrect. Right? Make unknown higher balance to get known lower balance. Should be deducted. Kaushini, understand that one? Kaushini, understand? තේරෙනවද? එකම විදිහ හරිද? ඔයාලට මේක බලන්න තියෙන කෝකද වැඩි කෝකද අඩු කියලා බැලුවා අඩු මයිනස් කරන්න තියෙනවා. හරිද? වරද්ද ගන්න එපා මේ වර්කින් එක වරද්ද ගන්න එපා. මේක හරියට කරගන්න. ඒක වැරදුනොත් ඉවරයි. 150. මොකද්ද return in? Right. Next one. Number 4. Within 5 minutes you can do this one. Number 4, I'll get here. Number 4 lamai. What's number 4? Fourth one, 40,000 debtor balance has omitted from debtor list of debtors. Total of list of debtors. Let's assume that this is related to closing balances. No? If there are 100 closing balances of private and controls, what's the error? This is error related to what? Private accounts. 40,000 balance actually omitted from private total, which means here actually decrease by 40. No? Then actual balance will be how much? 60 here, according to our example. Unknown balance actually decrease. What we have to do? How much the difference there? 40. What we have to do? Tell me. Send me answers. 40. Make known balance higher, unknown balance low. Higher to get lower balance should be deduct that difference. Yes. Right? Okay. Next one. Next one, 50,000 debtor receipts. Next one, debtor receipts. Debtor receipt. 50,000 debtor receipts double debited to debtor private. Debtor receipts, what is double entry? Debtor receipts. Please tell me here in this error what we have to do, added or minus to the reconciliations. Added or minus. How much is the difference? Not how much the difference, actual difference. How much the difference? Value. Tell me the value with value, added or minus with value. Nice. Not 50, I think. Not 50. Yes, Anjali is correct, I think. Look at here, look at the board. I think difference should be 100. Look at debtor receives. First of all, think the way of correct record, how to correctly. Debtor receives 50. Debtor receives 50. Right? What is the double into cash debit? Debtors credited, no? Normally, we have to credit control accounts. This is the way correct way of recording. Double lint. Make correct. That's the correct one. Right? Number 5. Understood? That's the correct one. Right? But here, what's the error? Double debited to private accounts. They have not credited to private accounts, but instead of that one, they have debited to private, but double debited. දෙපාරක් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න ඕකනේ වැරද්ද. ඔය ඉතින් වැරද්ද කියලා කියන එතන දාලා බලන්න. Understood? Now look at the difference. Here lamai properly recorded controls, then balance should be 50, but here balance lamai me, then here lamai correct balance actually 50 ne. Yeah, 150, right? Oh no. Look at the difference. Yeah, 150, but look at the difference. Yes, 150 තමයි එන්නේ නේ. Yeah. අර එහෙම කියන්නේ එක පාට මම හරි මටත් ඇත්තට. 150 නේ. Yes. මේ known balance actually lower නේ. Known balance lower. මේ unknown balance actually high. Look at the difference. අපි හිතන ගාන නෙමෙයි ඉන්නේ. මෙහෙම දාලා බැලුවොත් තමයි එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. Understood? How much the difference here? Here 50. මේක මෙහෙම එන්නේ මේ ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරේ නැතුනම බැලන්ස් එක මෙව වෙලා ඩබල් වෙලා 150 වලින් ඩිෆරන්ස් එක පාටම හිතන්න අමාරුයි. එක්ක එහෙනම් දාලා බැලුවොත් තමයි පේන්නේ වැඩි. පේනවා මොකද add or minus 150 no lower balance to get unknown. This is known, no? Known. Okay, lower balance to get unknown, higher balance. That difference should be added. Understand? Who got correct answers? Debtor receipt. Please tell me who had correctly recorded that. Yeah. Now get the balance me. Here lamai 500. Right. බලන්න කියන්න බලන්න කී දෙන්නේ. $1,000. Should be 1,000. 100% correct. මේ අපිට working එක වැරදුනොත් තමයි මොකක් හරි වෙන්නේ. නැත්තම් ඉතින් ආය හරියටම හරිය. Right. 1,000. Look at the Isuris and others who got separate another answers. Look at the difference and tell me where you got wrong actually. කොතනද වැරදුනේ?